Welcome back. In this video, we're making Panda Express orange chicken sandwich, only available at their Innovation Kitchen in Pasadena, California. So right here, I have 2 chicken breasts that have been butterflied and then cut into the perfect sandwich piece. Dredge the chicken in potato starch, dip it in some eggs, and we're going to do a double coating here. So back into the potato starch, eggs once again, then into crushed Rice Krispies. They actually use a rice puff batter, but the Rice Krispies here gets us pretty close. Into the deep fryer they go at 350 degrees for about 5 to 6 minutes, or until lightly golden brown. Season with salt. Onto a toasted King's Hawaiian bun, spicy garlic aioli, bread and butter pickles, shredded cabbage, then the chicken, drizzle Panda Express orange sauce over the top, finally the crown, and there we have it, Panda Express orange chicken sandwich. That's it for today, guys. Drop a like and a comment below, subscribe if you're new. I'll see you next time.